Most of us panic when we see this kind of problem, right? It is a fraction division problem, and it makes us uncomfortable. I used to be exactly that kind of person. But today, I am going to show you one easy method that will make you actually grateful when you see these kinds of problems, because they will feel like free questions. And the answer is just about 10 seconds away. Stick around. So what is it? Well, it is a fraction division problem, and it is not that easy at first, because you cannot just divide the top numbers and the bottom numbers directly to get the correct result. But I will show you in a second exactly how to handle division with fractions. So basically, you cannot directly divide a fraction, right? But what you can actually do is change this division problem into a multiplication problem. In that way, you would just get the answer, and the answer would be correct, just as if you had divided the fraction directly. It would not change anything. So here is the problem. 2 over 5 divided by 1 over 4. So what you are going to do is pick the fraction on the right side of the equation. In our case, the right side fraction is obviously 1 over 4. So that is what we are going to pick. And now you are going to flip the numbers, right? So instead of 1 over 4, it becomes 4 over 1. So here is what it looks like now. 2 over 5 times 4 over 1. And you are going to multiply this, right? So that is what it is going to be. And this is going to be easy because all you have to do is pick the right-hand side fraction, flip the numbers, and multiply. Doing this is called finding the reciprocal. It's a fancy math word, but the idea is simple. Just flip the fraction upside down. So once you do this, all you have to do is multiply. And when you multiply fractions, it is going to be very easy. All you have to do is multiply the top numbers together and multiply the bottom numbers together and put the answers on top and bottom. So 2 times 4 is equal to 8. And 5 times 1 is equal to 5. So what is it actually? The final answer is 8 over 5. And this is the correct answer. Just to recap, all you have to do is find the reciprocal, which is just the flipped version of the right-hand side fraction, and then multiply straight across, top times top and bottom times bottom. That is it. Every fraction division problem works exactly this way. Let me know in the comments if this method was new to you, or if you already knew the reciprocal trick from back in school. I am curious how many people remember this one. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.